Have you ever had to cancel that weekend barbecue get-together due to unforeseen change in weather? Well, if you had one of these pergolas, then you wouldn't have to. Let me show you how we made this one. First off, you need to get some lumber and find a way to haul it. Not everybody has a pickup truck or cargo van, but everyone knows somebody who does. This is a basic 12 feet by 12 feet design. Here we got 4 6x6 posts, 4 2x10s for the exterior frame, and then we got 10 2x8s for the joists. The posts are going to need a way to be attached to the ground, so you're going to need some kind of footers. Then cut the post to your desired length. We started with the backside knowing that it was not going to be accessible later. Then we checked to make sure that everything was 90 degrees before we screwed it in. For this, we used premium 6-inch deck screws. After standing up this first part, I then used a clamp to secure it to the privacy wall to make sure it doesn't go anywhere for now. Using clamps does make life easier when you bring up the boards. You clamp them, check level, and then screw them in. The patio already did have a slight slope. We maintained that same angle so there wouldn't be any problems with drainage. This is the outer frame, and I forgot to mention that 2x10s were used for this. Then we attached the 2x8 joists 12 inches apart. They were screwed in on the sides as well as Simpson strong ties as hangers to keep them secured. Also take note of the staggered blocking boards. And now the main frame is all set and ready to go. The staining process comes next, gotta make sure the boards are protected. We then attached a metallic roof secured with screws on every joist, and then cut off the remaining hanging material. Then we used a nailer to attach these ceiling boards. And I really like the way the ceiling boards look rather than leaving the frame visible. Once the boards are all attached, this pergola is complete. Now check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you like my content, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe for more. As always, I'll see you in the next one.